Flying high with Energica. The green power of pure and clean energy. It all began in Modena, the heart of Italy's Motor Valley. A heritage of artisans blending technology and craftsmanship to create a powerful racing sculpture. It is in the tradition of motorsports on which the roots of CRP have been nourished for more than 40 years. A vision of a new future and a new generation of motorbikes, eCRP, the electric race bike, winner on tracks, worldwide. The finest technology has now generated Energica, an electric superbike. The evolution of mobility. Sumptuous. Pure adrenaline. Sustainable. New sound. New emotion. Unwavering passion. The power of nature has never been so beautiful. Italian style, racing DNA for the next-gen electric street bike. Energica outruns imagination.